420. July 2026. Alright, good. So we got most of the cop in the area. He's doing speed enforcement on the 20, 7:45 to 9:45, and then 11 to 1 p.m. Then 3:20 to 4 p.m. They might just have it 20 miles per hour till 7:45 to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday during school days. That, you know what I'm saying? Just keep it simple. 7:45 to 4:20. So he's right here, still about to make the left turn. And I think he probably hides. Hold on, give me a second. Wait. Got a white truck right there in the way. Got a few white trucks in the way. So he's right there, about to make the left turn. I think he probably sits somewhere on the left. For the school zone. Right, in school zone tickets. Oh, there he goes right there. Okay, so look. So, zoom. Okay, it's shaking. Okay. So he's sitting right there doing laser enforcement on car. Jesus. And today is Wednesday. Sitting right there doing speed enforcement. Did you get somebody already? That was fast. That was fast. What did they do? The light just turned green. Oh, that was fast. Oh, that was fast. That was fast. No seatbelt. Shit. I'll walk over there. All right. He ain't got no seatbelt on. The cop ain't say it though. He got no seatbelt on though. He got no seatbelt on though. see right here, driver not wearing no seatbelt. I'm not sure if the cop said it though, but yeah, no seatbelt on. That's crazy. Ooh. You got another officer over here. See, I think Texas had the most cops. Texas had the most cops than any other state. Got everybody doing 15 miles an hour right now. That right there, they was doing like 30. That great car. So we got school zone. Let me see, 20. We got school zone, and also the kids are net out right now, so it's gonna be speeding when kids are present as well, making the ticket even more serious. So we got the officer right there. He said there's a sign down the road. He says it's a sign down the road. He spoke to me. Really nice cop. Really nice cop. He spoke to me. And there we go. Speeding in the school zone with children present. Whoa, that's going kind of far. And they were speeding when he tried to pull them over. Oh, sorry. There we go. gonna be out here all day, he said, while the school time right here, enforcing the speed during school hours, which is hey, it's excellent police work, keeping the kids safe, the teachers safe, and everybody around safe, because they are actually flying down the street during school hours. So it's a good job. It's actually good police work. Good police work. Pause. Citation for the speed. This is excellent police work. Got everybody doing 20. School zone. School zone. Speaking of the school zone, I think it's extra too. I think it's extra. Quick ticket. Person could be on their way. Oh, I get the person don't want to leave. Okay, there you go. Ooh, he's going to glass with it. That's scary. Okay. Easy money. Stay in school though. Stay in school though. Got another traffic stop. It's gonna be a black SUV, Tahoe, brand new too, tinted windows too. He might get it for tinted windows. I don't know yet. Got another cop coming right here. Like I said, Texas has the most cops in America. See. Boom, in the school zone. Quick cop, quick cop. Here go another cop passing by. Like I said, Texas has the most cops. See, look, the most cops in the state. Here go another cop right here. I told you. Texas got a lot of cops. There's another cop right here. Unmarked units too. All black units. Unmarked. And they can really write a ticket right now if somebody's speeding in the school zone right now with them. That's pretty cool. Keeping the footwork extra safe. Citation coming out. Damn. What? That's it. Cool.